so Dave will just open up the vessel here. Now this is one of those reactions, it's going to take as long as it takes, esteemed audience, because it's one of those ones you really have to treat it with a lot of respect, alright? And we're putting the liquid oxygen in there just to boil it off. We want to make a nice oxygen environment, alright? The coughing will start in about 3 minutes, and I'm telling you, it will, because this produces P2O5, just a little bit, but enough to make you interested, alright? So there we are, what we're doing is we're letting the oxygen vent out of the vessel, alright? And it's boiling away, because as far as the oxygen is concerned, this is 200 degrees above its boiling point, give or take. What's the boiling point of oxygen, Dave? I'll do it. It's minus 180. And we make this in situ, we made it this afternoon. And the way we make it is really elegant. We take a copper coil and we attach it to a tank of oxygen and we immerse the copper coil in nitrogen. And I told you earlier what the boiling point of nitrogen was, it's minus 196. And of course the oxygen, which boils at minus 180, goes through the coil and turns into a liquid. It's such a nice experiment. I'll actually show it to you if we have time. Right? So I'm just basically letting this, just hold the top there, Dave. I'm just letting this vent away, because the one thing that's worse than having white phosphorus burning in gaseous oxygen is having white phosphorus burning in liquid oxygen. You soon know that, right? So it's moving around there. Now, the other problem with white phosphorus is that it spontaneously combusts in air. And I've got to get it from this jar into there and stay alive. And so that's the struggle in itself, isn't it?
It certainly is. So we have to take it. No.
Yeah, have we got that little thing that goes there, have we? I'll use my finger,
yeah,
shall I? I'm joking, don't I? I'll use my finger to stem the terrible deadly P2O5. Right, there will be some P2O5 escapes. It's just like a tiny acid mist, and I'll just drop the pH in your lungs by a few units. No, I'll tell you a bit more about that later on. Okay, right, Dave. Yeah, okay. Should we move the deadly liquid oxygen somewhere else, shall we?
Yes.
Hang on, I'll do that. Right. We'll move the deadly liquid oxygen. Sam, you haven't got any dependents, have you, mate? You can't do that. Right? He's our stunt technician, isn't he? Right, so, there's our exhaust pipe. Right, copper rod, blowtorch. Right, I will select my piece of white phosphorus. Ooh, that's a big bit. Equally big. Okay, let's have the less big bit then, shall we, Dave? Right, ready? So, first of all, we're going to put the white phosphorus into the crucible, like so. And it didn't catch fire, so the day's looking up, alright? And in a little minute, I'm going to ask Sam to turn the lights down. Thank you, Dave, that's fine. Okay, when it starts, so 3, 2, 1, there it goes, off it goes. Lights down, please, Sam. And look at that, look at those beautiful tendrils of P2O5, alright? That's actually a fine dust. It's not a gas, it's a fine dust of P2O5, and it's forming lovely, beautiful tendrils. That's why it's sometimes called, we call it phosphorus jellyfish. Can you see that? It looks like a Portuguese man of war. And it's not hot to the touch, it's very cold to the touch. It's just producing lots and lots of lights. That's where we get the expression phosphorescence from, even though technically this isn't phosphorescence. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. It's a very classic experiment. And just a little while, we're going to run out of phosphorus, and a little light bulb's going to go out. You see it's going out? Good night. Yeah. I always get this sort of sense of relief when that reaction's finished. Alright, so there we are. That's one thing, white phosphorus. Do you know how difficult it is to get hold of white phosphorus? And we just use some of it to show you. Very difficult to get hold of because it's a horrible weapon, isn't it, Dave?
It certainly is.
Right, now,